welcome back to my channel. I'm Anushka, and as you all know, Navratras are going on and Navratras are very special, so I decided to do a special video for you guys. And this video is going to be very weird because today we are going to be trying some weird food combos. So these combos are very, like, people love them. I don't know how, but when I heard of them, I was like, how can people love them? Like, they seemed so weird to me, and I have never imagined to have these two things together. And today we are going to be trying these out. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share this video, and also hit the notification bell. Without wasting time, let's get started. So guys, in this first combo you need some Lay's and some curd. So you have to take the Lay's and you have to just like dip it and then have it. So for this I've got Lay's packet and some curd. So I'm going to open this packet first. Inside I guess. Okay, so I opened this packet and I'm going to take the chip out. Here, I'm going to put this here. I'm gonna have this in the curd. This looks very weird. गाइस ये बहुत ही लेस का टेस्ट ही नहीं आया. मतलब लेस का ही टेस्ट आया था, टेस्ट नहीं आया लाइक कर्ड का. आई एम गोना हैव दिस टाइम डबल कर्ड. मेरे को इतना अच्छा नहीं लगा. बहुत ही वियर्ड है ये. मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगा. उससे बेटर तो आपको लेस खाना है तो आप ऐसे खा लो. और कोल्ड को किसी और के साथ खा लो. So guys, for this next combo you need some lemon and honey. So हनी बहुत स्वीट होता है एंड लेमन बहुत सावर होता है. हम इस कॉम्बिनेशन में हम स्वीट एंड सावर दोनों को मिक्स करके टेस्ट करेंगे एंड लेट्स टेस्ट इट. सो गाइस, फॉर दिस आई हैव गॉट सम हनी एंड सम लेमन. So now I'm going to get a glass to put the honey and the lemons mixture. So guys, I've got a glass and the honey and the lemon, and now first I'm going to put the lemon in it. So I'm going to try to fill it as much as I can in this lemon. So guys, I think this is enough, the lemon juice. And I'm gonna just pour the honey from the top. I love squeezing things, especially this. So guys, this looks so much like a slime. The honey. Wow guys. Now it's time to mix it. So we're mixing it. And guys, this just looks so satisfying. Just there's a one seed in it here. That's weird. So I'm going to mix it very well. It's going to be. So guys, I've mixed it very nicely, and now I'm going to have it with a spoon. So here I've put some in the spoon. And I'm going to have it. Guys, the honey is too much. I think I have to add the lemon because the honey's tasted like I've added so much and the lemon's tasted zero. So I think I have to add some more lemon in this mixture. So I've added some lemon and there are a lot of seeds in it. A lot of, like 3-4 seeds in it. And now I'm going to have it. Now it looks good. Guys, it's very sour now. But main taste is coming off honey only. this actually, guys. I very much like this. Not like very much, but I really like it, guys. It's very good. You can try this as well. I liked it very much, and this was very tasty. So let's go to the next combo. So guys, for the next one, all you need is lemonade and a packet of Oreos, which I'm gonna get, and you have to dip the Oreo in the lemonade. I wish this was the milk. And guys, the Oreo's middle part is made up of milk, and this is lemonade. So I don't know what will happen. So let's get it. So guys, I've got some Oreos here, and now we're going to just dip it in. गाइस बिल्कुल नॉर्मल टेस्ट आ रहा है, लग रहा है कि मैंने इसमें वाटर ऐड करा है। अच्छा है। ज़्यादा ही सॉगी हो गया ये, देखिए। राइट, मुझको अच्छा लगा, बट ये तो नॉर्मल ओरियो है, बिल्कुल लेमनेड का टेस्ट ही नहीं आ रहा है। तो बिल्कुल नॉर्मल ओरियो था, लग रहा था कि आप मिल्क में डिप कर रहे हो। सो या ये अच्छा था, लाइक ओरियो का टेस्ट ही आता, सिर्फ लाइक ऐसा लग नहीं रहा था कि आपने उसको लेमनेड में डिप कर रखा है। सो ये ठीक ठाक था। लाइक आई विल ट्राई दिस विद वन मोर ओरियो। हियर आई हैव द ओरियो, सो आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई इट वन मोर। अगर आप इसको लिख कर तो आता है टेस्ट। आई एम गोइंग टू पुट द लेमनेड ऑन टॉप ऑफ द ओरियो लाइक दिस। ओके, ठीक ठाक था। So let's go to the next one. So guys, for this next one you need some sauce and choco pie, which I don't like. I like both, but separately, not their mixture. So I think now I will have to try it. Here we have some choco pie, which I'm going to put here. So guys, I've bought a mini plate, and now it's time to put this sauce, ketchup here. You need to just put the ketchup in here. So guys, I've put some ketchup over the choco pie. Guys, I don't like this at all. Just look at this. I think now I'm going to mix it well, like here. So guys, I'm going to have this part. That's the worst thing ever. It's so gross. I will not eat it, but I will have to eat it. Look at this. Okay, I will eat this. Guys, I just hate this. That's so bad, guys. I just hate this. I'm gonna eat the other side. Guys, I will never ever eat this. This again. A 0 out of 10. I just hate this. Guys, as you all know, this was the worst combination of the day. I just hated this. Sauce and choco pie, very bad combination. I will never ever eat this again. So that was all today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification bell. Once again, a very happy Navratras to all of you, and bye guys, love you all, bye.